What's up, guys? I'm Dan. Welcome back to another episode of Poor Michigan Reviews. If you could, guys, hit that like button. Maybe subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it, guys. It does me wonders, and I'm trying to grow the channel to at least 1,000 subs this year. Just a goal of mine, but if not, thanks for clicking on the video anyways. Still love you. So we're jumping in, guys. This is going to be from Equilibrium out of New York. Middleton, New York to be exact, and I've had a few Equilibrium beers in my day so far, guys. Not a ton, but enough to know that these guys frickin' rock it. They are something special, and they know how to make damn good beers, and that's just in my opinion, but I think a lot of people would agree with that. I do like that there is a canned on date on the side of this label, guys, and by the way, this label is absolute fire. I mean, like, I don't know why I'm expecting this to be so good, but just by the label, particle physics, give me a break. Look at the frickin' can art. I mean, just fantastic wrapper on the can there. So something tells me this is going to be awesome. 5.5% pale ale. We have, of course, a pint and drink fresh. So again, June 17th, 21, and today is July 29th. So still pretty fresh, I would say, coming out of New York to Northern Michigan. So shout out M4 Distribution for getting this to me, guys. Yeah, this is awesome. Coming in around $4.99 a can. So that's just giving you a general price point. Yeah, it's Equilibrium. They do damn good stuff. So let's look no further. Let's dive into it. Boom, boom, boom. Hazy Beast on our hand. Light straw yellow, golden hue, but mostly light, very light. It's not like super viscous or like oily or thick, you know, being a pale ale. It's not super New England style looking, you know. It's got that cloudy, hazy look in your appearance, but to me, it's not quite that golden yellow. It's more of a kind of grayish looking yellow in my eyesight, guys. But you're seeing great lighting this way. That's why I'm set up the camera from this angle. But it's got this incredibly dense, bubbly finger's worth of head that is bright eggshell white, and it's super sticky to the glass, guys. That's a very good looking head on top of this solid looking pale ale. So I think I like this style just by looking at it, guys. I'm going to get an aroma if I can through this thicker, creamy layer of head. Yeah, it's this reminds me of a kind of a danker IPA. It smells like it's going to be a bit bigger. It smells like the body's thicker or more viscous. It smells like there's earthy, dank kind of pine resin attributed to this beer. It smells like it is going to be a bigger beer if I wasn't looking at it and I was just blindfolded. It has some sort of dank kind of Lagunitas quality in an ever so slight way, guys. I mean, really, you are getting some kind of citrus notes and tropical fruit notes, but it's overpowered by dank pine resin, if you will. So I kind of like that already. I mean, that's just what I like in New England styles at this point in my life. I don't just like juice bombs. I like a little bit more depth, a little bit more beer feel to it, a beer taste. Yeah, I'm going to dive in, guys. This is Particle Physics from Equilibrium. Looks great, smells great. Let's see what we got. Whoa. Whoa. There's this like weird juicy note that goes all into right field. I was not expecting that. Again, that kind of dank pine resin's there, but it's a lot lighter and more refreshing than the nose takes it for. It's going to be a heck of a lot lighter drinking. This is very easy, light, medium body at best, guys. This is very, very light and refreshing, actually. I don't know what that juicy note is, but I like it. It's kind of funky. Like, it almost is like almost like a hint of like blueberry and strawberry in there, like something that just pulls you into right field. It's some sort of juicy berry that comes into play. I don't know. It's like strawberry, gooseberry, weird juicy note that comes in, but it's very, very light and juicy, but still kind of dry and dank and a little bit of that resiny thing on the back end. I don't know if I've ever tasted something like that. It's very different, but crushable at 5.5. Hey, Equilibrium's onto something here, guys. It's not too aggressive or green or hop forward. It's nice and light towards that pale ale category. It's delivering some nice citrus notes, some nice light lemon zestiness. Big peach note, like very, very big, juicy peach with the skin. Kind of just grounded up. If you blended up a peach and put it in there with like a pineapple, maybe like pineapple skin and then the whole peach blended up. That's what I'm getting as far as flavoring in here, the most dominant flavor. But again, this weird kind of like berry, like white winey thing. Like I don't know where that comes from, but it just goes into the right field. Like your mind goes straight to this big juicy note that is tough to actually explain. Definitely some like candied citrus in here though too, but again, nice and kind of dry, a little bit more dank, earthy, pine, dirt. I mean, there's like, and then this is just descriptors I'm giving. It's not actually dirt, guys. I'm just saying it's like earthy, dirt, pine resin, like tree bark, like it's just all of these things that still plays into this incredibly light, refreshing 5.5% pale ale. I think this is done extremely well with a nice, unique twist. This I would remember. Like I'm going to remember drinking this beer because it was different and it stood out in the crowd to me. Not boring at all. This beer is not boring. Incredible juice note. I mean, it's just, I don't know if it's just like white grape. Like it might just be that quality that I'm getting lost for berry, but there is some sort of just like nice light white cranberry, grape berries. Like it works. I don't know why this goes so well with citrus and stone fruits in here. Again, finishes nice and dry though, not much bitterness, just super light. I freaking like this beer a lot. I'm gonna go with a 4.29 out of 5. Yeah, it's really good. I like this beer a lot. 4.29 out of 5, guys. This has been Particle Physics from Equilibrium out of Middleton, New York. Super solid stuff. It's what I expected out of them. They delivered and then some, guys. So yeah, this has been another episode of Poor Michigan Reviews. Thanks so much, guys. I'm Dan. Cheers.